Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using the Booking.com app and want to switch the language, this video will guide you step by step. It's quick, easy, and works right from within the app. Let's jump right in and get your preferred language set up. First, open the Booking app on your phone. Next, tap the profile icon in bottom right corner. Scroll down until you see an option called Device Preferences. Tap on it. Now, tap on Language. You'll see a list of available languages. Scroll through the list and select your preferred language. Once you tap on your desired language, the app will immediately switch to that language. There's no need to restart the app. The change takes effect right away. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on the Booking.com app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.